So this part is the end plate. Okay, start a 2D sketch again on the XY plane. And this time we're going to revolve, so click on line and center line. And click on that center point, which is the yellow dot, and just draw a line with a random length. So I think it was about 100, over 100. Anyway, so clear the center line and then line, click where the center point was, and the diameter of that is 146, so divided by 2 is 73, and 10 down, what was it, 17, and to the right 7, and this time I'm just going to sketch it so it is sloped and straight again, and it's angled again, not slope, it's angled, and back to the center. Okay, so this to his, it is 10, this line is 27, and this point to this point is 21. Okay, so this point to this point is, what was it? It was 6, and this to this is 10. Okay, so the internal wall is 10 mil on the side, but 18 mil at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just offset this. Oops. Offset. No, it doesn't like it. I'm just going to draw a line. Then from here to 60. And I'm just going to draw this line, sketch it there and there. Okay, to make it parallel, click this parallel constraint. So this line and this line are parallel. And dimension that, click to here, it is 10. This one is also, so this should be also 10. Oops. This line to this line is 10. And this to this is 18. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'll finish sketch and then revolve and click, just click the outside profile and click on the red arrow, which is the axis, and click on here and then press OK. So we'll now create the hole in the middle of the bottom, which is 47 and 45. So 47 mil and 45. So I'll click on hole, click in the middle. So sorry, it is first a simple hole, and we will do a spark face. Click on the surface, make it center. So the first one is 47. That 47 mil is 10 mil deep, and the bottom hole is 45, and it is a through hole, and press OK. Right, so there is a threaded hole at the bottom, 6 of them, and the PCD is 64. So I'll start the sketch again. Click here. You can either draw a circle or just click on point. Click on point. I'll dimension it. So from that point to this yellow dot, it is, so 64 divided by 2 is 32. Make sure it is aligned. So, no, sorry, vertical constraint. This to this. Finish sketch and hole. And it is not simple, it's a top hole, and there's no seat, and the type is isometric, and the size is 8, no, it's an M6, so look for 6, M6 times 1, yeah, and it is a full depth, and it is a through hole, and press OK. Yeah, and now we can just turn it around so we can see. Click on circular pattern and zoom in so you can see this hole. And then click on the red arrow for rotation axis, and click on any of the circle. So click this, and we need 6, and press OK. Right. The next one we're going to do are the 8 holes, which is 30 diameters. No, 30 diameter. Now it is a, let me have a look first. What is this? It doesn't show in that drawing. Let me see on this other drawing. It is another. It's an 8 mil through hole. So start sketch. Click on the surface, and this time we're just going to use the guide construction lines. So click on circle. Circle is the PCD is 128, and we use the line. So create a line and horizontal. Draw another line angle. Just it's only construction line, so it doesn't matter if it goes over. And then I'll dimension that. So this to here is 30 degrees. This to this is also 30 degrees. And where it intersects, we click on a point. Put a point on the intersection. And there. Okay, once you put the point, click on Finish Sketch and click on Hole. And it is not tap hole, it's just a simple hole. And then simple, and it is 8 mil. And then press OK. Okay, so we will need 6 more of that. So we will use the pattern command, circular pattern. Click on those holes, so you can either click on the browser or hover on that. Sometimes it's hard, so go to the browser and click on hole. And rotation axis, click on the outside and put 4 and press OK. So there you go. We'll just have to change the material, which is going to be an aluminium again, and I will change to, let's do it clear so we can see later. So I'm going to put clear and clear blue. you can see. Yeah. Okay, so file, save as. It is the end plate. That's it.